This Kitchen Academy induction cookware sets have taken the culinary world by storm, combining aesthetics, performance, and health-conscious features. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook looking to elevate your cooking game, this 12-piece cookware set offers everything you need for a seamless kitchen experience. With a sleek granite black design and superior non-stick performance, this cookware set deserves a closer look. A complete cooking solution in one box. The Kitchen Academy Induction Cookware Set is a thoughtfully curated collection that includes 8-inch fry pan, 11-inch fry pan, 9.7-inch deep fry pan with lid, 1.5-quart saucepan with lid, 3-quart casserole with lid, 5-quart casserole with lid, 2 silicone utensils. This all-inclusive set is designed to handle a wide range of cooking tasks, from frying and sautéing to boiling and baking. Why choose Kitchen Academy Induction Cookware? 1. Exceptional non-stick capabilities. One of the standout features of this set is its graniteware coating, which ensures that food doesn't stick during cooking. This is not only a time saver for cleaning but also a health benefit, as it allows you to cook with minimal oil. Imagine flipping pancakes, frying eggs, or searing meat effortlessly. This set makes it all possible. 2. Health-conscious design. When shopping for cookware, safety is paramount. The Kitchen Academy cookware is PFOA, PFOS, and lead-free, ensuring that harmful chemicals don't leach into your food. This feature makes it a safe and reliable choice for families who prioritize health. 3. Superior heat distribution. The cookware is crafted with an aluminum core, which heats quickly and distributes heat evenly. Uneven cooking can ruin a dish, but with this set, you can achieve perfect results every time. Additionally, its high magnetic conductive stainless steel base ensures compatibility with all types of stovetops, including induction, gas, and ceramic. 4. Stylish and functional handles. Equipped with Bakelite handles, this set is designed for safe handling even during high-temperature cooking. Bakelite's heat-resistant properties and stain-resistant surface make it a practical and durable choice. 5. Versatile and durable. This cookware set is not just about looks. It's built to last and withstand the rigors of daily cooking. Each piece undergoes a stringent quality control process, ensuring you get the best value for your money. Cooking performance, a real-life test. Frying pans. The non-stick fry pans are ideal for quick meals. From crispy bacon to fluffy omelets, these pans deliver excellent results with minimal cleanup. Deep fry pan with lid, perfect for one-pot dishes. This pan handles soups, stews, and sauces effortlessly. The included lid traps heat and moisture for even cooking. Saucepans and casseroles. These pots are indispensable for boiling pasta, simmering sauces, or preparing hearty casseroles. Their tight-fitting lids help retain heat and flavor, making your dishes even more delectable. Ease of cleaning. Cleaning cookware is often a dreaded task, but the Kitchen Academy set turns it into a breeze. The non-stick coating prevents food residue from clinging, while the durable surface withstands gentle scrubbing. Hand washing is recommended to extend the lifespan of the set, though it's sturdy enough for occasional dishwasher use. Aesthetics and design. The sleek granite black finish adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. Its neutral tone blends seamlessly with various kitchen styles, making it a great gift for housewarmings, weddings, or other special occasions. Who is this cookware set for? This set caters to health-conscious families. Its toxin-free design ensures safe cooking. Home cooks and beginners. Easy to use and clean, it's perfect for anyone starting their cooking journey. Experienced chefs. The high-performance design meets the demands of professional cooking. Gift givers. Its stylish and practical nature makes it an ideal gift for loved ones. Final verdict. Should you buy the Kitchen Academy Induction Cookware Set? Absolutely. This cookware set is the epitome of convenience, quality, and style. Whether you're upgrading your current kitchenware or starting fresh, the Kitchen Academy Induction Cookware Set is a worthy investment. It ticks all the boxes: safety, performance, aesthetics, and durability. Don't wait. Transform your cooking experience today with this exceptional cookware set. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.